Hi, this is Gabriel Castro from exoticwoodpen.com. I'm installing my new bandsaw blade on my Grizzly 17-inch bandsaw. I am using a Laguna Tools Resaw King 3/4 inch carbide tip blade, and getting it set up, the first cut was very crappy to say the least, so I decided to pull out my manual and go through a few things. And checking here right along the bat is the gap. So on the top part of the blade guide, one of the things it says is to have your teeth set back 1/16 of an inch. Mine was a little bit further than that, so I readjusted that. And then it also said to use a .004 spacing. So I'm using a feeler gauge, and that is tight right there, or not tight, but it's just snug, just like as if you were setting points on an old car. And then below, sorry for the shakiness, I'm having to hold this. I removed the guide covers right here, and then I also gapped that for .004 also. That goes in there nicely and doesn't really bind. So that's set. Now the next thing to do is check the blade tension. Okay, getting back to the top of the bandsaw, the lower guards are covered back up. So the blade is just on, it's not lined up or anything. I've got an alignment window I can peek through as you're working. But on the back there's a tension arm, and I'm going to engage this arm down, and then that is, now this blade is tight. So, and you can see that it's not crooked or not straight, so I'm just going to give that a few hand rotations, and then that's all secure now. So, and you can see that again through the window. According to the manual, it's supposed to be between 5 and 6. That's on 5 right there. Closing the door, you can still see there's a window here for the tension. And then there's a hand wheel here on the bottom to tension that. And you're only supposed to tension that while the blade is turning. So it's supposed to flutter a little bit. And if it's fluttering, you turn it the other way to tighten it up to stop the fluttering. So that's going to be the next course. Okay, so here I have the guard raised all the way up, and this is just an exaggeration. I would never work with it that high. Most everything I'm doing is down here on the ground. So anyway, my scale is around 4. I loosened it up. You can hear that's kind of loose. There's a little bit of play there, but I think that sounds a lot better than what it was. And I'm just going to recheck the gap here, make sure nothing is moved. And that's pretty much about it for setting up your blade. Okay, so now that we have the blade set, I've just got one of these small turning blocks that I picked up at Rockler. And I'm not even sure what this is. It looks sort of like canary wood. See if what you think. Thinking that's canary wood or what, but anyway, I'm just going to take a real thin slice off and see how it looks. that sure is a lot better than my old blade, but it was just a regular skip tooth blade. And you can see why luthiers prefer this. It's just, I don't know if it's the table's not square or the bottom of the block is uneven. I'm just going to go with the bottom of the block is uneven because I haven't adjusted the table. But anyway, hope you like it.